now be presented on the market watch. They'll just provide you with several pairs. In order to add more, hit the plus symbol in the top. For example, we want to do Forex Pro. That's what we have opened up, not a standard. We have a Forex Pro account. We do Euro Aussie, Euro CAD, Euro Kiwi, Euro Singapore. And there they all are at the bottom. In order to move them up and keep the list alphabetical, hit the pencil in the top right. And just drag each up until it's in the position you wish, and let go. The bottom left is your market watch. We can see all the pairs. You can hold down a symbol to get information such as new order or view symbol, chart. To view the chart of whichever pair you like from here, just strike from the right across the name. You'll see in the top left the time frame and the pair. So we're on 5 minute. In order to change time frame, just hit anywhere on the chart and select M15 for 15 minutes, M30, 30 minutes, H1, 1 hour. To zoom in, pinch outwards. To zoom out, pinch inwards. To change functions and features on the chart, hit the F symbol. You can delete by pressing the bin in the top. You can add to the main chart, which is the price area, and the window, indicator window, is the area below the price. As you can see in the chart, we have bars and lines in the bottom. That's called the window, and this is the price area at the top. Back to the bottom, we have the middle tab is your balance equity. Third from the end is your history. Then it's news and messaging.